Hello again. I know you are waiting with bated breath to know how to simplify this problem with the square root. Sorry for my technical difficulties. So as I was saying in the video before it spazzed out on me, we got 0 over 0, which means I need to do something else. And factoring is not going to work. So when you have this square root in either the top or bottom, what you're going to do is multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is when I change the sign in the middle of my two terms. So I'm going to make it x plus 3 plus 2 over x plus 3 plus 2. Okay, and what that does is it basically makes a difference of squares in the numerator. So that's going to give me in the numerator x plus 3. That's multiplying the two radicals together. And then negative times a positive is a negative. 2 times 2 is 4. The only reason we can do this is that I have the same first terms and the same second terms with opposite signs. Do not do that if you have something different. That's when you would have to FOIL. Okay, now that I've made that abundantly clear to you, that would give me, we do need to FOIL in the denominator. Oh, actually, JK, we'll hold on to that for a second. We're just going to write x minus 1, parentheses, square root of x plus 3 plus 2. I was trying to make our life too complicated. So that's going to become x minus 1 over x minus 1. Wait a minute, didn't I just say that? Yes, so what does that mean I'm going to be able to do? Cancel. Okay, so that means I really have a hole in the top and bottom. Make sure if you have to cancel all the terms in the numerator or the factors in the numerator, that means you're left with a 1. So this all simplifies to 1 over square root of x plus 3 plus 2. And we're trying to find the limit as x approaches 1. So we're going to substitute 1 in. 1 over square root of 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 1 over the square root of 4 plus 2. And you don't need to show every single step of simplification. Equals 1 over 2 plus 2, which is 1 over 4. 1 over 4. So we did all that work to get 1/4. All right, there you go. Now you know everything there is to know about doing limits algebraically.